walk around video for A04153, the 19 Ford bucket truck. Current mileage, no check engine lights, cold air. Like I said, we go through these trucks before we ever put them online. I will drive it. I'll double check the four-wheel drive, make sure it's good. He's got the bucket up, fixing to run it. I'll get that videoed in just a second. Tires are like brand new, looks like. We probably had them put on. There is a crack in this grill here. Same thing, brand new tires here. Truck's actually really clean. Little scratch on the bed. Door gaskets, everything look really good. In fact, I think my son may have put new door gaskets because they was junky, but it's the door gaskets are like new. Little scratch there. We had bed liner put on the bed just so it looked a little better. Little damage there. That's bent just a touch. I'm gonna go ahead and get him operating the boom so that he can put it all back up. Okay. Raise that front piece up and down. It could be another lever. Can't find it? Now it's up. He's extended and retract. He's rotating the bucket. Can you do the tilt? There's the tilt. You can't find the operation for the front boom? You may twist the handle. Normally the twist is to rotate them. He's retracted it there. Extended and retracted. He killed it from the boom. Restarting it. Like I say, everything passed. That yellow sticker there is the current inspection. He raised the front boom from the lower control. He's just not figuring out what it needs to get it to operate up there. What are you doing?
I accidentally killed it.
It started. Okay. See if you can figure out that lower, but that front boom. I'll come show you.
Yeah. I've done, I think,
There's the controls.
right here.
Did you twist it?
Yeah, I twisted it and it spins. Oh, twist. Okay. Yep.
Yeah, you just twist that handle. That's good. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of the walk around. You can put it up. Tires are like new here. Still has the stock DPF. Little bend in that right there. Like I say, he put, I think, I may be wrong, he may not have put door gaskets, but they look really good. I think he did. Well, oh, that's just a letter stuck on there. Bed's really in good shape, not all scratched up and beat up. Does have a dent right here. Door functions fine, but inside the boxes and stuff, it's really pretty clean. I did pop the hood. I was going to pop the hood and just show that there's no blow by. There's very little smoke coming out. Everything all together ought to be ready to rock, go to work. I'll double check it. I'll check the four-wheel drive, make sure it engages. I'll just check everything out. I'll upload the video shortly.